Hi, to enable and disable power saving mode on your Garmin Vivoactive 5, as a first step, we would need to hold this down button so we could see this menu appears on the screen. From here, simply select Settings, and then we would need to scroll till the very bottom of the page to go in the System. Now, in the system, you will need to find this battery manager section, tap on it, and here is your battery saver mode. So now it's off, and as you can see, my watch can last up to 6 days, but if I select to enable it by tapping on the switcher, my watch will last now for up to 12 days. But the following changes were made, so watch face is low power, Wi-Fi is disabled, brightness is low, music disabled, auto activity start disabled, and many other features disabled. So if you would like to enable your low power saving mode, you would need to tap on this check mark to confirm, and now you can see how brightness just decreased, and also you can tap right here to disable it. So simply tap to enable, so you got this status on now, and tap on the switcher or on the tab itself to disable. So additional way how we can enable and disable low power saving mode is you can do it through the controls. For that, press and hold this upper button so you could see this list of the controls, and here find your power saving mode. If you cannot find it, don't worry, you will need to simply go in this edit section, then tap on the plus on the bottom of the screen, and now you can see battery saver. You will need to add it to the controls by tapping on the plus, and now let's see whether it appears or not. And yep, here it is. Let's just tap it, and now battery saver is enabled. Let's tap it again, and now it is disabled. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.